Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create registration page or login page on your WordPress. So you're going to need an additional plugins for this tutorial. So you're going to want to upgrade your account to creator account, or you're going to upgrade your plan into creator plan. I am currently on 7-day trial. So if you're not sure whether you want to do this or not, all you have to do is try to search for creator plan features on WordPress, and then if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see this try creator for free option. And once you click on the start your free trial, you'll be able to enjoy some benefits such as 3 GB of storage, 100 subscriber maximum, 1 video upload, and lower priority email sending. And as you can see on the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see the full creator plan benefits. They have 50 GB of storage, unlimited subscribers, unlimited video uploads, and normal priority email sending. But you can still try out this tutorial with the free trial one, so go ahead and try and click on that first before you continue to watch this tutorial. Next, once you got your free trials ready, or once you upgraded your plan into creator plans, you're going to want to go to the plugin area right here, and then you're going to search for Forminator. This is the plugin that we're going to use to create our registration or our login page. So go ahead and search for it. And then you're going to want to click on this ones right here: Forminator, contract form, payment form, and custom form builder. So this is a WordPress form builder plugin that you can use in order to create your registration form. So it says here that this is not your typical form making plugin. Forminator is the easy use WordPress form builder plugins for every website and situation. It's the easiest way to create any form: contact form, order form, payment form, email form, feedback widgets, interactive form with real-time results, BuzzFeed styles, no wrong answers quizzes, and many more. And you can also add registration forms with payments options, including PayPal and Stripes. And here are some of the things that you can create with Forminator. And once you're done reading the descriptions, you can go ahead and click on install and activate. Alright, now that we got our plugins installed, we're going to go ahead and click on manage plugins and make sure that the Forminator plugin is activated. So we're going to want to click on this dashboard right here. And here, as you can see, you can create forms, you can create polls, and on the right side of the screen with Forminator Pro, you'll be able to accept subscription and recurring payment. You can unlock advances from features with Pro ads on. You can generate, download, and share PDF of form submission, and many more. You can also create quizzes, and here you'll be able to see other free WordPress plugin that this developer has made. So we're going to start by creating our forms. In the sections right here, go ahead and click on create, and you can start with a blank form if you want, or you can create one with a template. Either it's a quote request, registration, contact us, newsletter sign up, or login. Now we're going to start and create the one for registration. So go ahead and click on it, and then go ahead and click on continue. And it says here that this template allows you to create your own registration form and insert it on a custom page. This doesn't modify the default registration form. So go ahead and click on create. I'm just going to leave the name as user registration. And here you'll be able to see on all of the fields that you will need in order to create the registrations form. Here we have the username, we have email, and we also have password. And if you would like to add more fields, you can go ahead and click on insert field, and they have lots other selections that you can use, such as text area, number, checkbox, file upload, e-signature, slider, field group, sections, etc. So I think I'm going to add some more. So the first one that I want to put is, let's say, the phone number, and then I'm also going to add address, and And once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and click on insert field. Now, if you would like to edit any of these fields, all I have to do is click on this setting symbol besides the field, and you can go ahead and click on edit field. First, you're going to be able to edit the label. For examples, right here, you want to change maybe the label not as username, but as first name and last name if you want. Then you can enter the default value and then add some description. And you can go to the settings to add some more settings, such as error message that will pop up if something errors happen, or the maximum character, or the pre-populate. Then you can also setting the style of this field if you want, and you can also set on the visibility. I'm just going to leave it as it is and then go ahead and click on apply. And you can do the same thing with all of other fields. And each field is going to have different settings, so you can go ahead and check every field and try to customize it to your liking if you want. Once you're done with the field, you can go to the next step, which is the appearance. So here we have some styles that we can use. So this one's right here is the default one, and then this one is the flat one, this one is bold, and this one is material. I think I kind of like this material one, so I'm just going to choose this one. And as for the layout, you can choose whether you want to use automatic layout or you want to custom it. And then you can set the width and the height of your form if you want. I'm just going to leave it as automatic. And as for the colors, you have the options to custom your colors. So for examples right here, for the form container, you can enter some hex code of the colors that you want. And if you don't know what is the hex code for your colors, all you have to do is go to Google and search for example, hex code for deep emerald green, and then copy on the code that appears, like this one's right here, then paste it into the color box right here, and go ahead and click on select. And you also have the options to setting on any other colors if you want to. And I'm just going to change the color of the submit button, so I'm going to go ahead and use the same color for my border. Alright, and for the font, you also have the options to change the fonts, whether you want to use the theme font or custom. So again, every single part of this form is definitely customizable. You can change the font if you want, and you can also change the font size. I think I'm just going to leave it as it is. Then you can add padding for your form container. You can also add border if you want, and adjust the spacing. Next, you can also edit the user meta mapping. So here we can edit our form furthermore by assigning answers to each field that we have selected on the first step. So for the username, I just going to use text as my answers, and then this one's going to be email. The first name is going to be text, last name is going to be text, website is going to leave it as text too, and password is going to be password. And I'm going to go ahead and click next to set on the behavior. So for the behavior, we're going to choose on what's going to happen after the form is submitted. You can create a notification who's going to show a line that looks like this. Account registration successful. Click here to log in into your account. Or you can redirect to a URL. But I'm good with this one. And you can also put label, for example, congratulations. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this. And you can add more behavior if you want. For example, after the inline message, you want to redirect your subscriber into other URL, or you want to hide the form, you can go ahead and do that. I think I'm just going to stick with just one behavior. And here you can send customized email notification to your site admins and visitor on successful form submissions. And it says here that advanced features like email routing and conditional emails provide granular control over the email notification. So you'll be able to send customized email notification to your site admin, and you can edit your emails right here. So here I have my admin emails, and then you also have user confirmation email, and it's going to say your new account on your site, which is the WordPress site that you have. It's ready to go, and here's your detail. And you can just change the text if you want to. So go ahead and do that if you feel like you need to do that. And then last but not least, you can take a look at the additional settings. And once you're done, all you have to do is click on publish. But I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at the preview of our form. So this is what it looks like. And the customer will have to fill in all of these fields if they want to register into our website. And that's basically it. That is how you can create registrations form on WordPress with Forminator. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.